So the way you become Nishta, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says in Harinam Chintamani, you can get enthusiasm. You can't be steady in bhakti unless you have enthusiasm. So it all goes back to how. So then, how do you be steady in bhakti? You need enthusiasm, because steadiness means a driving force, a continuous application of force in a prescribed area. Steadily, you're cooking your rice, so steadily that flame is burning, and in one location, you're applying force of heat, gas, LPG, whatever, LP, and that's continually cooking, and finally you get the rice cooked. The same thing. This nishta means continuous force in one place. So what is that driving force? What is that? It's energy, it's a shakti. That's enthusiasm. Like the continuous application of heat will give the cooked rice. So the continuous application of enthusiasm will give nishta and steadiness. Steadiness, which means nishta and bhakti. So then how do you get enthusiasm? By associating with devotees. Utsaha nischayat dharyat. Rupa Goswami Pad is saying in Upadeshamrita, Utsaha nischayat dharyat. Because the Vaishnavas, these things you can't get from books. Books have gyan, and books have history and gyan, and tattva and siddhanta and lila, but they don't have bhav. They don't have bhav. They don't have feelings. The tikas are there, but the tikakaras that write the commentaries on Shastra, they're full of bhav. But if you have bhav, when you read their commentaries, you'll experience ras, bhakti ras. Bhav is a high state. Nishta, ruchi, asakti, bhav, prem. Bhav is the dawn of prem. Premanshu, prem kiran. So ray, we see rays of sun in the morning, but we don't see sun. Rays means light. Prabha. Mangala Prabha, they say, auspicious morning. Mangal Prabha. So this is the bhava, this is rays. So for sure, when the dawn is there, then the sun will come. So for sure, if bhav is there, then prem will come. If it's bhav in ragmarg, if you're in raganuga bhakti, and cultivating gopi bhav, and you come to bhav, then for sure, 100% you'll get prema. But if you're doing Vadi Bhakti, like Bharat Maharaj in 5th canto, he came to bhav, but he still had some trace of material desire. He had affection for family.